Hey, boys and girls, welcome back from your Thanksgiving break. I hope everybody had a nice time with your families. Today, we're going to pick up from where we left off before we left for Thanksgiving break, and we were going over the concept of fewer and more. And we're going to review that for just a minute, and then I'm going to introduce you to the word same, which is going to be easy today. All right? So let's look at these. Let me grab some numbers right here real fast. Let's look at these Christmas trees right here. Okay, because we know we're almost in December tomorrow, and so I thought I'd just bring out the Christmas things. So let's count how many trees we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to find my number card that says 5. There it is. And I'm going to put it right here just as a reminder, okay? And let's count how many mittens I have. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put my 3 right there. Which one of these sets has more? Which one has more than the other? If you say Christmas trees, you are right, because there are 5 of them, and there's only 3 mittens, and 5 is more than 3. Good job. All right, so now I'm going to mix this up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to take my numbers, and I'm going to grab some things real fast. And I know you can just see the back of my head, but that's okay. All right, so here we go again. And remember, when we're counting, it's important for us to touch and count, so we don't miss anything, okay? So let's count our trees. 1, 2. So Miss Clemens is going to look through her numbers here, and she's going to find the number 2, and I'm going to put it there, okay? Because I know there's 2 Christmas trees. Let's count how many mittens we see. How many mittens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mittens. So I'm going to pull out the number 5 again and put it right here. So which one of these sets has fewer? There are fewer of these than the other. Which one has fewer? Okay, if you said Christmas trees, you are correct, because I only have 2, and 2 is fewer than 5. 2 is fewer than 5. All right. So we associate other words with this sometimes. Sometimes fewer means less than. Okay. And sometimes more means greater than. And you'll get into your more than and less than signs when you get into first grade. But we need to work with the words more and fewer. All right. Now today we're going to be working with the word same. The word same. What do you think that means? If we have sets that are the same, what do you think it means? You're right, and I hope everyone said it means it's going to be the same amount in each set, okay? So I'm going to take these numbers away. I'm going to grab my Christmas trees over here, because these had the most or more. So there were 5 mittens, and I want to get to how many trees? 5, right? So I have 2. Let's keep counting from 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So it's the same amount of trees as there are mittens. It's the same amount, okay? Our numbers are the same. All right, I'm going to share my screen with you, and we are going to look at a worksheet, okay? And this worksheet is called Have a Ball, and it does say color the equal sets, because the words same and equal mean the same thing. But for our SOL, we need to know the word same, okay? So I'm going to get a crayon, and when you do your worksheet tonight, you're going to use your highlighter or your crayon on your class kick, all right? And try your best to make them colorful, all right? You guys can do this. All right, so I'm going to say, it says color the same set. So let's look at the first box. I have, how many basketballs do you see? Let me move it this way. 1. How many soccer balls do you see? 1. So it says color them if they're the same. Are they the same? They are. So I'm going to color my basketball and my soccer ball. And I know, well, some soccer balls might be orange. They come in different colors. Okay, good. All right, so let's look right here at the baseballs and the bowling ball. How many baseballs do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2. How many bowling balls? 1. Are 2 and 1 the same number? No, so we're going to leave that alone, okay? It's not equal. Same. All right, the next thing we have some baseballs. We're going to say that these are softballs. All right, let's count how many baseballs we have. 1, 2, 3. How many softballs do we have? 1, 2, 3. Are 3 and 3 the same number? Sure they are. So we're going to get a crayon and we're going to color those as well. And you can just do this on your class kick tonight or today on your worksheet. All right, so let's look here at the footballs and the basketballs. How many footballs do you see? 1, 2. Okay, how many basketballs do you see? Touch and count. 1, 2. Are these the same? Yes, so we have 2 footballs and 2 basketballs. And I'm doing just a fast color job. You can take your time on your thing too, okay? All right, and let's do a couple more. All right, let's count how many footballs. 1, 2, 3. Let's count how many soccer balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are 3 and 4 the same? No, so we're going to leave it good. All right, and we've got baseballs and softballs again. Let's count the baseballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many softballs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are 6 and 6 the same? Is that the same amount in both sets? Yes, so I would color all 6 baseballs and all 6 softballs. So they are the same amount in each set. And that's all you have to do. Okay, so today we went over more, we went over fewer, and we went over same. Okay, so do your homework, and tonight we will, and tomorrow we'll introduce you to something else. Okay, good job today, guys. Do your work.